Coconut oil for acne. Coconut oil has many benefits for our skin, and it can help treat acne and fade acne scars. On the other hand, it should be used properly on acne-prone skin to avoid pore clogging. Acne face mask recipe. Take a small bowl and add in it 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal, and 2 drops of tea tree essential oil. Mix the ingredients thoroughly to get a creamy mixture. Apply the mixture on your face with your clean fingers, avoiding the eye and mouth area. Rinse off the mask with warm water after 5 minutes, then splash your face with cold water. If you feel the need, moisturize the skin afterwards, but it usually already feels soft and supple. Using this mask only once a week is usually enough. The benefits of coconut oil for acne-prone skin. Coconut oil is a well-known moisturizer, and is especially helpful when you have dry acne-prone skin. It seals the moisture into the skin and keeps it supple. It is also a good skin cleanser, and works by drawing out stale oils and dirt from the skin pores. Coconut oil has antibacterial properties that help fight off the acne-causing bacteria. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce inflammation, soothe the skin, and calm your acne. For the best results, use pure, organic, unrefined coconut oil, and also see how your skin responds to it.